Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that 3 of my video courses are available now. 10 measurement cutting system, how to make a bomber jacket, and how to make a classic women's shirt. Buy the courses if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'm going to talk to you about Dolman sleeves. I've decided to devote the lesson to this topic because it's getting more and more popular. You can see different designs of dresses with Dolman sleeves. It's not surprising, because a sleeve of this type has its advantages. Today I will talk about them once again. I will also tell you about the advantages and opportunities of this design. Have a look at this sketch of the basic dress with Dolman sleeves. We call it dress number 1. I've already showed it to you. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. We've already made several dresses based on this pattern. We've even sewn a coat using this pattern. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. You can find them in the description. I talked to you a lot about the opportunities of the 10 measurement cutting system and the basic sleeve pattern. But you should also know about the advantages of a basic pattern for the Dolman sleeves. Using this pattern, you will be able a lot of different dresses, mini or maxi. The dress I'm wearing now is also a Dolman sleeve dress. This pattern gives you an opportunity to combine different fabrics of different texture, color, design. Be creative, try to combine 2 or 3 fabrics and make interesting garments. You can get unlimited variety of dress designs. You can sew any blouse, a tunic with asymmetric bottom, or multi-layered tunic. One layer can be made of light fabric and the other of lace, for example. You can make a coat, a dress. Use your imagination. I want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. I want you to realize that you have unlimited design opportunities. In this pattern, the sleeve is shortened and tightened. It doesn't mean that you have to make the same sleeves in all garments you sew. You can make a short or long sleeve. You can make it flared. Sheath dresses with flared Dolman sleeves look gorgeous. You can sew a lot of different coats with Dolman sleeves. It can be a light or a warm winter coat, light coats made of lace, cotton, velvet, anything you want. The list goes on and on. I just want you to realize that your opportunities to make different dresses, blouses, jackets, coats, the opportunities are unlimited. If you do sports, you can quickly make a sport jacket with a fastener, Dolman sleeves and a hood. It will protect you from rain. This is a very useful design. Try making such jackets. You can wear festive gowns, casual wear, sports wear, dressing gowns, home clothes, dresses, evening dresses, casual dresses. You can make a robe with Dolman sleeves and a one-piece hood. I've already showed you how to do it. I'm glad that I have an opportunity to talk to you about Dolman sleeves once again. I showed you 10 designs of dresses with Dolman sleeves. These were the basic designs. Watch the videos about them if you haven't done it yet. You can also find them in the description of this video. I showed you how to make a coat on the basis of this pattern. As I've already said, making such coats you can combine fabrics of different colors. I'd like to inspire you to create something unusual. I believe that the more unusual you look, the more unusual people treat you. I want to tell you a story. I was standing in a line at the grocery. I was wearing a white coat with black large polka dots. The Dolman sleeves, the neckline, the bottom of the coat. These details were decorated with frills. I think that the coat was amazing. Just try to imagine my view. The salesman was absent, and the people in the line started arguing about the order. I stepped aside, deciding not to interfere with the argument, and let everyone go ahead. What was my surprise when the saleswoman appeared, passed by the whole line, and addressed to me. Of course, she had no time to see all the people in the line, but something in my view caught her eye, and she came to me. Just imagine how the other people look like. To say that they were surprised is to say nothing. Why did it happen? Because I looked unusual. When we look unusual, when we look festive, it attracts people. Unfortunately, I noticed that there are very few women in interesting garments on the streets. This is why I want us to be different and beautiful every day. Let's change the situation. Use the opportunities. The Dolman sleeve pattern gives us. I want you to sew something interesting. Use your imagination. Don't be afraid of anything. Remember that practice makes perfect. I want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. You can, for example, make a loose short coat. If you have a tight waist, make a waistband. I wanted to learn to make beautiful collars, to combine fabrics. It is not necessary to have a lot of money to sew different clothes. Nowadays, there are a lot of cheap fabrics. For example, this dress is made of inexpensive crepe. Originally, I was just planning to sew a mock-up of it. I love that dress. I think that it looks amazing. If you don't have a sewing machine, ask your friends. Buy a cheap sewing machine. We're lucky now to have a large variety of sewing equipment at stores. Do not look for reasons, look for opportunities. I hope that you realize how convenient it is to make items with Dolman sleeves. What a variety of designs you can create. The sleeves can be short or long, tied or flared. Dolman sleeves are perfect for all occasions. This is why I think that this design is so useful. Have a look at the basic pattern for the garments with Dolman sleeves once again. I've already told you a lot of times that I wanted to be able to sew and wear anything you want. Guys, I remind you that 3 of my video courses are available now. 10 measurement cutting system, how to make a bomber jacket, and how to make a classic women's shirt. Having bought the course on the 10 measurement cutting system, you will be able to make a perfect basic pattern according to your own measurements. Basic patterns are very convenient to work with. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.